So it's like 3 in the morning, and we walk outside and we hear this awful sound. Can't tell quite what it is. It's coming from down the street. Somebody left their windshield wipers on.